Ebusia memo achi. So good morning. Jide se yankopon do bia ehunye. Memo akwaba sonko bia mesan by DSGH TV. Na ye fiada. Ya ba betena sin na wa wonim. Sensema ekoso ewo man Western region hase. Any other regions near Kabune de abroad. Now so wa wonim na etwagu sisi ya coronavirus issue ya etwagu. Eno na sisi ya na ma sisi ya no Ghana for yesu kakra na so no senya mpenifo ma ye nchechire fa senya be betimi abo ye ho ban ye free sa coronavirus yi senya ye de wose eye oyo ni ye di mpenifo na chechire ye ne so trust me say ye nya coronavirus case yi already na nkasa ne no a mpenifo ama ya ti ase say ya record 2 cases ba kono no ye hokwa wo free taking sorry no way and no over and about going to so Ghana. I recorded 2 cases but mami ready bibi enfancho and my nyenti and maybe a sikakra enra coronavirus case ya recorded and information minister ababeka asembi na eno no na mama dwen aye meyi kakra me bisa me ho say sena coronavirus case ya recorded no a week ago and the na president na sema obabeka ye no na like yanyanti inemi biase but ene no trust me say dwumedi e babeji no e wo hase no ye hwe ye zongo communities no so far mpuntu dwuma akoso e wo hono meni dia wo mu hwe ni say president because president ye say ne be ya zongo communities no omso benya dia eniema initiate the president watch no musu benya bi because wo ko zongo pa we se nyankofo si ye honom na eya na enye enti president ehun say so what ministry ejuma kuba mbebua na di development abai zongo communities wo ye country mu na ye nyina ye na ye di ahoti hu ejuma ne ade no na musu enya wo mu de enti no nkonwa na nope yesi ewa hase no na se na misi make no research amaye no ende no akire me ade bia ama sisi ano me shedan te dia mpenifo ede aba for coronavirus no ehun fi say eba me say information minister to make say coronavirus patient no has been in Ghana for about a week na say president any ye be ye ncheche na sana so wodi na enum aseme bra ye no so wo kire se afina omguso di juma se na be ya record case bia eno a ya record case minister so health information minister so work say patient has been in Ghana for a week na president be ka say ye nyanya case bia no ajuna ye mintanta kakra enama because enrada and a president sans release this car $100 million as already now we release $25 million for the fight against coronavirus. As you see, I know the patient has been in the country for a week. Na just say Nsem no imagine I am tantan feel say won so no we read the article we are so no wadwen aye won tanta kakra na so ye be person penifo be kire ye mu for so wadwen kire fabre for coronavirus dem penifo enkusu enye because na ye nim say ye borders ahodro ye ni omubo hye wo Ghana hase no ye din chechira mo na so se betumi aba say ya record case a na ni de edwumedi na ye di ni say ani for wadwen kire fabra na me ready edi amount say eneso ye birthday so a ma ye hu eno so ye be ready edi amount na ye fia danti ye kono be bia bi menya mpenifo so e wo studio ha se ya ye ne omo e ba betwetwe enkomo na mo ma me nka nche so say enra 2 cases na ye record ye no Nunguchi Memorial Institute of Medical Research omo no mo de result ne de ba say Ghana ye nya 2 cases. A minister and so Ebeka Chess may disclose said the 2 persons who has been tested positive for the coronavirus in Ghana no have been in the country for about a week. They said near institution we na maboya nanka. According to the health minister, no, also the cases were reported as imported cases as both individuals returned to Ghana from Norway and Turkey. They all Ghanaians are move free Norway and they take it by. Until the year borders no. And I say airport one no and never in no mu ye but but all the same we are hoping same penny for be go so a pija umma ye dwuma kase ye se ne be ya 2 cases na be so ho no ma na entre ni shi eno na ye we hope same penny for ebe ye but ye nhwe wo wuti efie kuma takrade de efie kuma zongo de oka obi anim e de na ekoso ho no ma enye president by no de boshe bi ba ye se wo ti sa dwumekuo no ama efie kuma zongo mpuntu aba ho no wuti efie kuma wuti zongo ho no bi mpuntu be na aba ho no mende kase kan obetumi aka e de na wo hwe ni mu se president nso mra na o mama ya na se opagya no mu ya ebebo na mpuntu aba ye zongo community e western region hase na so na anope menya penifo mienu ba kun efri ndc asoye awo mo hwe zongo Nsemsem ho ena ba ko so imam very young and handsome man imam na mfise imam for no wo dwuna he no but very young and handsome man ena dia ofri ndc asoye awo mo hwe zongo Nsemsem so no so very handsome man we no my gentle kama en penifo me mama kwa ba na so the ofri ndc by even Abdullahi Hamid Jalu Abdullahi Hamid Jalo ena dia imam simple imam ono si your friend Al Hassan Abdullahi omudi na yem de keke Abdullahi benufo mesama makwaba I idea GXTV bibi abokodi
inshallah
edanyamiasi me starting free Abdullahi Hamid o na NDC ejumakono yedi zongo nsem nyina ahya wonsa se yeduma na imam ne ninje ewo zongo na wo hweso no enti no me bisa se si ano die na mo ye zongo development ne kosen
okay medase na nama ana pay ma start with greetings mentia efie kuma zongo foina Minsantia incoming President Mahama. Okay, ebisa sampa zongo ewa zongo se wa problem ne so a peculiar problem since from long time, since from before independence. Okay, zongo ya bagada wakada zongo min friend there zongo settlement in English settlement baby awon onye wokrom wa settle today people for awon wo for north awon wo for Abia Nigeria na no keka wa settle at one place beginning where Muslim for what settle baby what settle on friend Zongo in English is settlement enti ohona zongo odi starti na says ya after independence yeba up to Fourth Republic na zongo yeba term zongo and for only Muslims say Fante ya unani ya badi no so far as zongo nkotide also ya zongolia excuse me
very interesting
yes you are also a zongo so zongo and from beginning na zongo oh baby ye bibia wo kakra excuse me to say educational background abada bibia health inti wa mazongo ye bibia aka kakra sebi but within some time na ye start here ye nya government be obe zongo fo ana Muslim fo in zongo mosi nyamale kono awode osha or the oya baby found especially excuse me to say when the Christians now other groups or time what the ma holidays or celebrate war festivities but na Muslim for your nebi ewa what kind of development on the your fiscal na your something like social enti yenya president or share the no zongo for no di I won't say what the war of people on your holiday there ye juman na o hwede no there at Muslims for yama na was starting one my one holiday for the Eid al-Fitr
okay
ye we are now ama holiday for that celebration you ma o hwe no one is not enough na Eid al-Adha so or my holiday enti at least on there on so your improvement kakra nti ye omuso na all the Islamic education unit or the bay ye malamfo I want to say sia what to me G pay at the end of the month from the Controller General Department. And now wire fund is so one. I want to pay from the government. It would need now improvements kakra yereba. Until from then, says here another government so about wabe ye Zongo minister na no county expectation no still or those because at least I have been poor. Oliver will always ask for more. Until still, ma at least with the Zongo minister, no development, Yabenya, Yadaka, at least 2 or 3 ma mention.
Very good. Say, you need to say, you should say, Punto by Zongo communities. You say, you share in Punto Juma, Koso, Zongo communities, so far. So far in Punto Juma, Nyama, can say, and you be making sure say, you sure, and Nyama be a big creative jobs near Jenina, and the Amayeni and no Muzi for no, and yes, I can Muzi for no, ha. Now I just say, I dear Baku, because I know Muslim for a boom cassette, and I see a giant train and the angel will be a tree, or Mampenini, and I saw a yen and a pound for Munja will be a tree, and moon, say, a brilliant and you pay your money a cassa. No munti no mufanti en hwe sisi ano the current development a ekoso e wo Zongo communities.
Okay, nyame si anka no kwa. Say apo with all the Zongo minister we are yet to see development in our Zongo. If I may, I will talk about my Zongo here. Because say I meant to me pinpoint there this developmental project and now all could do Zongo with all the Zongo ministers.
Zongo no here from.
Efekuma Zongo.
Efekuma Zongo ha.
Me who baby I say bia our dream be a pipeline later Zongo minister whatever by ama ami so me musulmai was Zongo ha and ami Zongo for but as at now me who baby at least bia say later no obaya. Because still Zongo, you were brilliant but needy students.
Very brilliant and needy students.
Yeah, says here where we was in an okay count, but if you know ye to me government at least them be them not at least government or doba out to Abeboa. And I be but yet there was see asro tough am I. I know me there developmental project be. Ya wonyama pia or there but Zongo is congested. Zongo at least still our Zongo says dirty mosquito infested. You need Zongo minister or put pragmatic practices in this field at least to help the Zongo people. We are not seeing all that. So we hope that maybe it is in the pipeline coming.
Mamembra Imam nice, gentle, handsome Imam.
Thank you.
And the other wish you were watching in now. I don't know what fashion, but Imam never know. Why a simple pa? That's okay. Imam, you share their El Coso, a warrior Zongo community. Miss Fia Kuma has said, we a mam penifona mudi akotene ye Zongo community no research and you interested to see the current state of a few Kuma Zongo.
Thank you very much. But first of all, the Paibo Nedba young imams or young community ha in si makan la ilaha illallah alimu la ilaha illallah rabbus samawati wa rabbu addu wa rabbu arshi azim la ilaha illallah rabbu arshi karim ya do tun fase
Amen.
Odur sabina sa mu pefri mi fi na sa mu ko eduma na da mu ko mu wherever I want to go na sa mu young guys seems oyo massive because Moon as a brilliant guys, but the ways and means obotum wenya a push, a little push kakra obotum once wada ko hunanima you see them just sitting down and it is not that what pede one ankasa what's no one baby now what's no because they don't have anything to do. They don't have anything anybody who push them. And then society is so those who, especially the young guys, there are a lot, very a lot. Inti I what's in now I started the one on my tie. With that tie is base, no one on my tie. Come on. My sister. Now I'm going to crazy. I say, Ma'am, you need the way I bear. I say, in Chessia, I'm full the Yenya Zongo minister. We full the distant or put to sink a crack, say, or brass a crack. But initially, no Zongo minister, no, or Bayan Chen, the Onion Bacase. Oh, initially, I was opinion were inaugurating as a Zongo minister. Oh, although Zongo Senior, I was very happy, very, very happy. But before that, it will continue like that. We will have the support. But we are not having it. And then still, the way as Zongo net say before, no, today, it is even no, sister, why more than whatever it is. Sister, the Yaman Kuye man. So, me Zongo minister, seriously. There, check, Obaya, on Panan Tufu. No, on revisit the Zongo communities. But once a certain guy, on the free papai, ne party. Ano otumo ya azika kakra oya nyanso yenenim or bright kakra recently mo bona about seriously obodonate one tank heavily one candidate my friend Michael Otu obodonate a poly tank, beautiful one. No, the tally home with a masjid be obey ya then as a dread. Or more honey, and fine in Susi say no problem with water. With that area, no, ya bona bado pa. Inche politicians, no, ne young brothers, another young Zongo minister, another ministers are all hand. So we try that we push Zongo now. We'll go far. But so we're giant into idle now. Yeah, Nyamabia on ye. About the election time, they will come to us, go and come and pick us. The young can come on. But this time, dear, I'm not sure this one will happen. Once I young you into Zongo Numunity. We know the way we talk to our children and our friends. And such nonsense, we will not tolerate it again.
I share a Nema air course away Zongo communities. Now, ye name say, what a credit if you command a dinim. If you come Zongo and then work out beer and into Juma air course, now no assemblyman election, yeah, omuye near the call because of some of the centers because some of the schools near war. If you come Zongo has seen it, you call one of na Nyamianim Ukraine, oceans in the schools need be sit here as a film. As you say, government, or the school entire, public schools near there. Now, so maybe some penny for the young say, Muslims for school, no, many uniforms, every education ministry, no one. And I say Bibisa. Now we are looking at the education problems Muslim communities no more facing. We are looking at cheap compound because from the researcher I was sitting newsroom no e me say the ministry no ebe declare say omo release $50 million ebe cater for cheap compounds ebe hwe school atete ase ho ebe hwe insuo ni ade ho any scholarship packages of normal students ni ade ebe kan no nyina ho wuti zongo uko school wo zongo na se uko school e wo zongo ede mpuntu dwuma na ekoso no na obetumi esi obu na wakam ede na wo hwe ni mu se president ma meye ma e na afi sususu no yensuo ye cheap company ade ye pomudin hu so ete ho no etise enti no mensan bra Abdullahi Hamid wono. Me bisa say this $50 million here ministry need the buy here the be hair boy Zongo communities no. I'm sure you are aware of it. Dear ena ye to me e dia ye. Because it can happen say government releases car na ye mfa nya hwe.
Thank you very much. I'm there, I'm in Meti, about $50 million. But still, I mean, my wadi and now say wa bank no. Wadanum tio wadaya dano min to minka because me who ne reflection wa ami mi zongo ha. Because what the skaba one fine year at the obey poto juma wa zongo at least what there obie nyane chafa. I mean up to now me who baby what the dam scanner ye. So what there on na what the year wa AstroTurf no po oya outside zongo min to minka. But at least up to now me who be bia what the dam scanner ye. Kasa so yaka about education in our zongos. Yaka yes school dilapidated p yani rural areas or urban area there takuradi, but still come and see our school buildings. Neka baby so our still about education. You were right so says here or there the right no your power government show on share. Now, because you're right, you have the right for dressing, as at right for speaking, right for association, so on and so forth. So I'm speaking about our women who go to school, especially the secondary schools. There are some teachers be what bar, what's my one share, what hijab. Maya finu so on chirahi onu o chire de girl child no ana lady no address decent enti no shed maya finu enti at least anko de encouragement po na wode wa encourage one rather than because if your Roman sisters in Anukeka because they are decent they dress and put on their maya fi so that thing at least especially we the Zongo people we are talking against it. They have to give us our right, our ladies our right. May it be public institutions, work site, so on and so forth. It is our right to wear the hijab. So they have to look at that also for us. Now, another one, so name, yes, schools, you know, education unit. Okay, Muslims for says your Islamic education unit or there bibia we are in tandem with our Islamic teachers and schools to be ebekwa your Islamic center now your the other English sector but there I won't wear English side you know discriminate against those who are the Islamic teachers. At least they have to work in tandem, they have to be one. Every school that you went to, at least they have to work together so that it will they will raise up good students rather than discriminating against the Islamic malams. That won't help us because they have done. Government has done that at least so that you better together you raise mature students for better Ghana tomorrow. So at least that's what I was
Imam,
about.
Yen share ye cheap compound Nsemsem ewo Zongo is a war western region has it and also to say
before I'm back cheap compounds I'm a day why we tell my babet more Zongo no as opinion or whatever. As at now, young only school you are my SMC chairman. So for schooling no the as I work there, Zongo minister, Zongo what the baby Baba Zongo na ye tum ya that can Zongo for one Dwumadze do there. Yeah, but the parliamentary candidate in Momna on the Otum you say get fan Otum de ye bibi we in school hall. But ekun there echo school numa. You lack of so many things. We don't have computers. We have nothing. Look, but the echo outskirts school are 1 year from the Zongo. You see, PBR, oh, look, since from day one, na year kade ye pay there ye tum ye computer library with school ho ye computer we friend French teaching of French with school ho up to today ye ya fighter I don't know. Your call we friend then minister no, which is the parliamentary candidate, you know, the new resource biara. But oh yeah, na sefem. Oh yeah, na sefem pa. I don't know whether Zongo no just there we pray one neglect na another bibi am about to do election time. No why so one hope today.
We are in the election time. So season we say election na your woman.
So people are now looking at the Zongos. But meanwhile, after election, no we giant as a man. The yellow bread. Look, I have a cheap compound over you, Mantima.
So the whole of Secondary Takrade.
Yeah.
A Zongo community on what cheap compound.
I'm talking about me, my Zongo community. I have a cheap compound. I mean, with their wasting what cheap young Zongo compound. No, there's none. Only individually. Now well try there what the way BBC Zongo no, but ekede MP na another Zongo minister be another BB we BBC chip compound no, it can never be 1 year at all look individual be waba ofi maramo family sisi anona sisi waba the only see the library to the whole Zongo community. No the first library for the Western region, Islamic library, and then it is research for Islamic people or all mankind. Library home research. This ain't no funny in Puntu, but you will not be at somewhere. As a minister, another baby, you are somewhere and see community and still a better friend than the exact problem I owe. Oh yeah, something. Into Mr. One, politicians from or there what try there 1 year but say I don't know.
We are Imam Ewo Efiekuma Zongo.
Yeah, please.
Honorable Joseph Kujo.
Yeah.
And our year MP. Edema Efiekuma. Enkita hundie be na akoswo wo ni onabuku John Tem. On say yamfa ne say wo haw na won kan ye no obi enyeden enim.
I quite remember the hobby konodo there on boy. It's about we have a mosque no roof no on year on shada on year papa. The Adam how no ya do but ye estimate of the that particular mosque no there ye to be 600 million 60,000
mosque wo sa mosque ya
sa mosque no wo VIP junction
Alaji Bawa
Alaji VIP junction mosque kase bi si ho
ye painting with green no okay
sa mosque no ye hwe na ne estimator or roof no there you changing here 600 Ghana cedi, which is in Ghana 600 million, half of a billion, over half of a billion. The kono do and then kakasay or make it no so ne donation be or the bama
donation ben ya
or in terms of ska or main ska man so ya but only enough or dosun ska no dosun
na mu hia 600 billion
yeah 600 million
na mu dia I renovate mosque no
yeah the renovate
and o ma mo saying
o ma 100 million
mama 100 million
100 million
okay
yeah or try but since in Sutende or a disaster man and who marks in for fair no no in Suto even ejina ka kwanu mu na
say last year nsuo bi na toy Americana Africanus Americana kwan no so ho yiri ye na ade no
exactly ni nia okọ mox ni mu so we are in Tambon because yen drainage ni nia on yas papa nso tokekwe biara or there flood
say mosque na esi wonu na any good shape
only good shape at all only good shape at all so we are lacking. Look, if you get into the mosque self, but when a mosque no walls need be crack.
And I'm telling you, sorry.
Yeah, yet name ya sorry. Just the will of Allah. So, anity ne here even the roof in the kekebu crampo na yellow struggle for 600 million yen to me recover them skinny yan. It's yes, one na our friend and nyame agwa mohono one boy hen na young community ha it's very risky and then refuse dump bora e biara bara mantem nya e bia kita no politin biara because of oil okotua 1 cedi in the community no in a baby our dump rubbish odo kotua no
eno na ye temufo no musuban o se wo mujai
and then even meanwhile outskirt with one ball back zongo community no what dump no only nya there you insist with the mad no look if you are not in the zongo why there be dump rubbish zongo ebe hwe na bi kitaka bolegu no chere do deba zongo who there dustbin no si wono or there be bum no chere ni ske kakra na obetua no but they don't think they think that our friend then a dump na etua no anoye the but I rather I'll give the community a burden because any blessed day biara no refuse dump our friend and container no obeyama car no so and yet any blessed day no oba. So you are piling the rubbish no. Meanwhile, so the cars no so mbamba fa I don't know.
Well, you holding on with when you be saying abaso because never be wo na say temumfo no so mte wono muso mambo na no say na me ne one of me tech guys ni bi kwakotwa echiechire he ya gate bi eda ho no man so to a eyire no mo de ewura plastics eguma na yema eno no enye obi na ba be ye temufo no mo wa ya no mo ye nti wo critical problem we ade ama wo wo hu no na we expect say when them na me say me solve for amount gata dey chire ha say ya no we hia macaroni spaghetti and odi egu gata ni
wa sure
gata na nkasa ye choke dada already and was say hwe di egu gata na da traffic light if you come traffic light akaka gata no hwe wura de gum enti na me ka say tie amanyofo no ebedi sebe o mekeka nsem o munyeye ebi so o meka de o maye but wo na wote wo na yetemu ni de na wo so wo ye and it wututu wura egu gatemu no wo sebe wo ja wo na no de ato gatem enti ne wo ye ne wo akasa wo ye na me face wo ma membra Hamid so wo na wo gina ekasa de ma Zongo community say was secondly takrad has enye efie kuma nko a bacho me right obi SN comment on Facebook of friend Mohammed Moro or say the man should talk about secondly Zongo and leave efie kuma Zongo for Al Hassan. This is pure politics. Okay, so let's hold it. We are not doing politics here, but we are trying to solve the issues now facing the various communities, Zongo communities. Let's talk about other communities. Zongo communities was secondary takrade has say. Nation development akoso. Na mesere say dia bibi wona say omampani aya moma yenka. Na dia ade se dey betu nanim so won san nye no so no. Na just say bibi aye fine. Because I have $50 million, I'm not sure say obi atna atamache no bottom na wedi. Dey bibi e was secondary takrade. Yen share the current state of secondary Zongo. Sisia.
Okay, about secondary Zongo day. Men to men ka ni na, but anka ono Zongo caucus coordinator was secondary no. Our friend Mala anka onna obetumu akabi. But ami to me, me share secondary Zongo a. Men who are the ko wabe ye fufu wo the current government abe ya bawa. Menim de waba ho be 2 or 3 ta na Zongo minister including Baume na wo be ho wo be hu imams na yimfu ayimfu owo ho wa kire wan mponto juma opede wo be ye. But up to now on the same assurance no wa maye wa, but up to now we are waiting for that and it's not forthcoming.
Assurance when no mo de mai
there wal baba yem mponto juma Zongo fo up to now. Honor says a bisa baby what's the Zongo Development Fund beginning damn no okay. Zongo Development Fund what's what the Astro Theft no so my brother or my sister up to now me who P baby P wali year up to now or a standstill. If you come at the wali your police back where we are, Imam. I mean yes sure that way we still and the cap at least on po dam as sort of me who at least dam scanu what the sea chip camper damayen and now what the bois yes schools are finished schools you know with modern furnitures or instruments are what the better children better than as to me. Obiana ni opinion, but ami to me my opinion. Damska wadi ya Zongo Development Fund wadi ya asretaf. Wadi ba Zongo wadi ya mpunto juma mazongo fua eradicating malaria, updating our children against vices because they say the idle hand always find evil thing to do.
Exactly.
Yeah, because at least what the year baby kakra and pabia Zongo child uncle school and baby them one share Juma waha baby them uncle is far better than the asset of the other. Until
so asset currently you don't need something like that, but see no dear na mo pese munya nkasa.
Yes, so na makabi.
Yeah. Mama
Fabi can because any program no ye dedicate ama ye mozifo Muslim for more secondary takrade and beyond. Wo takwa wuti Zongo e dey na ekoso because we are in election year enche bia manyofo no beto omu egu kwa ekrom beba Zongo krom beko bebia bi e dey no mo ba obetumi e complain dey a kire wo mu so mo ba na so mo kase ye no maye no sha ne kwan so anu no a omo kasa o maye bi so wo sha bi no maye susu ampa no a eno dwume komo na ye di e wa ha se obetumi de comment e de aba de wo face e wo Zongo community no obetumi e de aba e be read e de am mpenifo so wa ha se omo so be yi nsem bi anu e de ama mpacho meeting
Zongo community we lack for young Zongo schools for Zongo schools in there. Look there Arabic schools on Shadan ye adibia ebekwa to the university level, but the lack of it. Yeah, a hayara Zongo community and when yenichi hayara you see Arabic school.
But you pay your customer.
You see Arabic school.
Okay.
Wa hayara.
I don't know why na facilitate that project.
Just individual. Inha nankasa.
Mwa mozi for na penny for na.
Yeah. On a story building, 3 building. But we don't have any helper. Free maybe as a Zongo community Zongo minister na
ama company for nine so
look and yanda ba na ye started there yere bohudo yere company for one nando they should help us but immediately join there school bia like maybe or outskirt Zongo nche bia nche with the mika wa ba boboa but your lack of that Zongo community ehun yen Arabic school biara no there ebi no hall another ebi ni company bi na wa sheda wa bo bibi kakra no chede or there yeah Arabic school you lacking that or there the mad no sisa wa ya pa ho sisa your computerized world yan schools no or there accurate another like classrooms but yeah your friend then Kukuma or Moti nti yes Zongo community Zongo minister onim the mad no of course no so Muslim or today yanara onim what is going on umbra oni any share idea ye be ye ne dan na your friend then enya yenye scan yan kada ye Zongo your friend then fan na be ka ya de be different na enya Zongo indigenous people so no yenim yempe
anti Zongo development fund no ema
mu beginning market you the mu ho hwe wo ma mu Zongo oye
no
Zongo
fund no ema
ya today wa abawa minister
da ben
I don't know the politician mama you don't know you know unless maybe our politicians know I can
okay the me this comment me say da ben na ye the fund ni buy
okay fund since from this government about 2017 the first budget them scan but from subsequently the scan oba okoninchen on na osi odi si astro tef ama community Zongo communities until apart from that today true me hu ade awade
nti fund no yesi aba
oba
sika sen
you to me hu budget allocation no allocate man would every year the same amount no the man no
so why aren't we finding out
you see
I didn't know young shishwe because see tell me kase wo pe wa de yi a wa na say the we na ye ni yi enti no say o president aka bibia fa Zongo development fund ho a you the imam penifo mu hwe Zongo communities ne so pecha bumu then go find out
yes
sikana bana sikana maye
accountability
so in such asemi akin why my imams no so one so a forum koro wa forum society group where you one leader now they are also young painful na maso painful or they are also wanted to go forward I will be busy so me nyame bi today the way I be say that young find out they are also going to do that so me assure the ebia as time goes on you better see because boy was Zongo.
Well, mommy read this some comments be about Facebook na yentwa enkomotwetwe no so. Joan Sam or say Allah, how are you doing? I don't know. Well, Joan, I'm very good. Jemens is watching us and Sika Woman, a entertainment host, and also watching live. Joan say I love this program. God be with you guys always. Amen. Yes, Joan, network in the time because say be a banner cha, but chofa che ye network no, enema ya ta ye che, into the network na now dia che. Or say, Joan say you guys are doing well. Thank you so much. Baba Ali, wow, I just love Ideas TV. Okay, so Ideas GHTV. I see you are really doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much, Patrick. Was from Bon, and so any show about my timeline so and bebre na omuni share my timeline so Prince now Autry looking gorgeous dear blessed day. Thank you so much. And then Ubino Bisa say yen concentrate on second Zongo so Ubino this are commenting so edeba intino and no celebration no say blessed have been so say I'm watching you live my sis. Okay, thank you so much for watching with Ivashita Kuma miti amara pe ne fefefe ono na ye de ma me nti se ope Eva echi akwan a omode am de me number betuja na wetumi akọ Eva wo na wa address kama kra. We have plenty people on my join na Kwame Siedu Bruce ono so wa join here. Kofo bebre na Kwame minister join here. Samuel Kuja Maxine Chelsea say she's my mother. Ono so join our show program live. Emanuela Edu ono so show program live. My one and only producer Gabriel Frempon ono so show program live. Mohammed Moro ono so show program live. Lagi Agbesi thank you for joining us. Kafi Atisu ono so ono no owo seshi na wo share program live. Philip Kwesi ono so share program live. Emmanuel Amankwa also wa join. Nana Kwame Chum wa join. Nana appear Emmanuel appear Siama my husband also share live. DJ Jambo GH also share fine. Odi Kraji ni Boatin or share live. But we'll keep mentioning your names near the naso and many things near Kosona. Imam, you are complaining and way new and away new and away. Currently, na mobile na mu imam no sumu to fast these issues are facing our community.
On the before my comment there, there about secondary zongo. So, but secondary zongo, what applies to the Efikumo zongo? What is happening at the Efikumo zongo? The same thing. Never fully all happen because whatever we need here, we need the same thing over there. The same thing because they be a yoko home. Occasionally we are Saturday, Sunday we are to yoko home for occasional items do ho na akaka so don't happen on if you are not happen on nti the whole was question secondary zongo applies to question team zongo eko anu see stand still the man the one stand still the man nti ninya the same thing yare ka particular one zongo no the same thing wo home nti ade will happen why
Hamid me some brown chain beam in your time of governance no and then amusumu ye de boa Efikumo and I say zongo communities no
zongo communities especially Efikumo at least say yenya bia more than 25 malams first you know 1 GP during our time says 1 GP from the fund Islamic Education Fund at least ono or something small but at least a subsequent governments beba now what the more beka ho oye nti onu ye the back forward but you will stand still says here seka ode ye de ye mponto juma ye humpo ode ye de ye na zongo foso at least one thing no ode mekawa and the imam oka about was Islamic school wa echira our friend Ibadur Rahman. Ohonuewa, me there. Some of the Zongo onu oka about Zongo minister, but me there. Politicians obiti there incoming affair constituency PC or parliamentary candidate. Our friend Michael Otu. Na Joseph Kujo in me there community no wa chere da wa help or bibi kakra okay other side me to me who ade or the one but them makelo to amemi candidate no wo ma 150 cubic of quarry stone 3/4 or there what they flowing so that we besi the makaranta no was enti at least zongo fosu ye wo bibi wo ho or there government or help are good but ayensu or there yes because you were our big kakra but still ya ke tire do ye tenatil ye hwe mo se be ye the made no ye zongo for there yesu ye sol ye to me help ye hu kakra bibi there e fi na no ke kan wo zongo for there ye hu there says things of the past no there or the past says ya or there ye be need and yet because of 50% or one say the Bekoko to border the border now to Obini to Koreti. On your fight Zongo Funa and Kasa or there yes ya change your lifestyle be so that at least because it's malaria for baby flu malaria na badi ya na ye ma oba because at least e fin to obine to create breed mosquito mosquito on attack ne pa ko attack the whole community wu da ye nya 1 to 1 to
see anso na coronavirus so abai Imam, yeah, sorry to know my last words, Nandi.
All right.
Me so the be Candia. Hamida Kano.
Oh, now what can ninya as papa. But you bet the politicians me I say. And you're there, you're cano. Not there one boy.
Like I say,
when you are or papa. But oh yeah, nanya for the young channel boy. Oh yeah, too limit. Yan chan mbwana wo boy him oya tusa osapa because to the sense say ehun yan children's na wonnam hwana when ni bibi ya no oya hen ye pay na say ehun hwana na ye disturb ye very disturb especially yan na your family your mba na dirkan awo unua na zin tina ho ijan awo ze obewie na dan nti yes politician another yes government no so on to ne nwanhwe yan society no yan zongo no na kama wotum e picture ne kakra because me kai de jeje ne time no ya az papa bi me say no forget that oya urban 4 na zongo ha entum fo be biala penetrate kal biala lumtum fa han penetrate you link other road but or the urban 4 bay them urban 4 no wa boy zongo yi papa ono betwetwetwe road obubu dan ma ekwandi dem them bibi dam na pa ebia bo hu de ye them particular politician another particular government why bibi but urban say individual bi na bia ebe pick there ebe ya ano oya disturb me nti ya catch one politicians no ya sre one want to nwanhwe yen zongo want to nwanhwe yen zongo na individual so aye wo zongo ye mu bunim le bua ebinim so are relax me sre one me de media yi me sre one idea tv
ideas GH
ya me tutu sre one there one sure mbombo boy zongo na oye yedzimhen pa na individual a ebinim we si library na ebinim so we si
library da be number commission
within maybe 2-3 weeks time
be commission library okay.
Yeah, it's very bia you're welcome. I think idea GATV me sure that day no baba cover
be cover
nti da mu waka
en perform me da ma say ente no ebusua anope na ye hwe no niema ekoso ewo zongo communities ni ade na ye mpenifo no akeka ne ni mpenifo sinkonya no pe wo studio hasi ebisa omo se mputuduma ekoso ewo zongo communities ni mo no eti sen na afie de na omo hwe ni mo se mpenifo enye enfama wo mu ye tutu se mpenifo a ye hwe mputudwa ne ye dwen ya pomudi ye hu enu coronavirus wa aba enu ti na ama me na mu a na me kra me hand sanitizer mpenifo mama mu bi on munjibia
thank you
Yeni fine oh want na me kan video no be idea GTV a video bi yeni say Robbie no why you say like I say ko be bia na so aba won say echi say na why because who did the other free yam na echire ni nyina nti one uncle ni say no so no na why for advice say na just say aye kama nti
this type of teaching in ya odenche what by
Yakopon ya adoma Monday ebe ko market circle ni akwakoye public teaching on say na ebe ti protect ye we corona virus nti no say bia wo office a obetumi yisu we say wo so wo na be ma we oba obi atumi use timpacho mu pia mu nto bi 2 cedis pe obenye bi na we use ye mbo ye ho ban na yare na dru Ghana no ye mbo ye ho ban ubenya small liquid soap dey asha obagim wunya so baby mpacho bona fe so gu misa so mame o de begu ama yembo ye ho ban coronavirus na abe entine ene de edi beja mo eno no se yen nyina yen bo ye ho ban avoid unnecessary handshaking gadgets be on me unnecessary don't go enko bomode na numusuo bebre nso bi coffee obi nya fever so a entam ben sa nimpa no wo ben so bomode ase obi protect wo nti wo hwe video mo say ma hye me hu sei ni nyina no ma protect me hu chere bibie mu nti na ma tire na ma hye ne hu video e wo ho no nya mi sho bibia so nya kwan hwe ye me nine say tena meka no Eva ena omoye mami Fante for Beauty Palace ena omoye me nice ena mama tire no so Busy Palace Boutique ena no so dress me nice akopon ya do Monday the new edition of Nsemsem Dwumadze wa Ideas TV ebebro midin de nana ama boediwa mete guys MC anyami hro mu nyina sa brinyina mu tamechi mu boaye ema ye de Dwumadze no ebre owiase afene nyina mo nya bi ehwa akopon ya do Monday ye besan issue